Bruh, my Wi-Fi just ducked out for like 2 seconds. Scared the life out of me. I gotta get my chat back up now. Where are you at? Get that chat back up. All right. Am I streaming? It says I'm streaming, so anyway, Wimmy was the one I was watching. Goto is too extended. Well, the Wi-Fi held up longer than I expected today, really, before that little breach. Okay, so Wimmy, One Life, what's up, man? My Wi-Fi ducked out for a second. I was like, wait, my charts just froze. It's all good. I told you my Wi-Fi equipment is supposed to be here tomorrow. I had to cancel my last order. It took them 4 days just to get it shipped out. So I was like, ugh. But you know, I am watching Wimmy though. Not too interested in ONTX. Then again, Wimmy did fail this previous high. So I don't want to be playing the backside on that one. Waiting for this 5 minute candle to close on AEMD. Let's see, am I still live on both channels? Yeah, it says streaming to both. Okay, ONTX need to close that 5 minute candle for reassurance. Yep. Yep. Says I'm live there. Okay. ONTX, what you got for me? Been waiting all day for you. Wimmy going on down, slowing down. Gauto also dumping. All right. ONTX, let's see if you want to retest those highs. To the masses. Yeah. Man, sometimes I don't even realize my Wi-Fi is going out until my charts freeze. I'm like, what in the world? I see my level twos just go into a halt. I'm like, oh boy, T1 halt. But hopefully by tomorrow, my little mesh system is in Illinois right now. Should be moving on down to me quite quickly. ONTX, man. Still looks like it's got a little bit in it to go. BCDA. Oh, that was that one. ONTX. Not looking too hot. It is 10:23, so volume may kind of dwindle off today. Wimmy slowing down as well. Do I want to play a no, it's under that. Under the 9 on the 5 and the 2 minute. So not looking too good right there. But it is a slow mover. $6.53s. Going up, trying to get out of there, coming right back red. Trying to hold up the 650s, diving under the 40s, under the 45. Not looking good on the 15 minute up here. Let's see, will it break down the body of the 635s? Probably will. Touch the 635, 633 level. Nothing else today is looking like I want to stick my hand in the fire. So I was interested in Wimmy. Came down here and started holding this level, the 472, 3 times. It's support right here. But now it's just kind of looking bad, especially if it breaks that 70, which it just did. VWAP is at the 469. This has been 3 times that it has held up this level. But it's making lower lows. So got to be cautious of that. This one fell down quite a bit. Yep. So that's crazy, man. That's crazy, man. Nice day of avoiding losses, I guess. This one popped back out of there for a little 20-cent run. Very low volume. Can it start holding up this level again at the 473? That's a nice level to be holding up. Hey, this one's finally coming up, huh? All the attention's off of the other ones now. Could do a break of the 41. Could get going. See how much volume came through on that one. Volume 15,000. Ugh. Don't like that at all. And also looks like a double top here at the 339. So we'll have to hit the 41 for a quick scalp. It's got a big old trend here. Trend line that it's been just holding down here. That was an awful trend line. 355, 346. Got a couple of levels up there. Drama coming up. Everything else dipping off. Whammy falling 30 more cents down. So yeah, that one's over for me. AKA. That was a 30-cent run up. Whammy. Let me go look at Whammy real quick. $4.50. It may hold up. Whammy is I don't know, man. Whammy is just not looking good right now. Looks like it's the backside of the move. And look at the daily chart. How many levels is broken back down here? Going back down. So not looking good on Onyx either. ONTX. It tried. This is that midday point where things kind of get dead. Coming into 10:30. This one's still previous breakout. So One Life says that's previous breakout. Resistance must retest if you think it can push higher. Don't be an amateur, bro. Watch 15 minutes chart for consolidation on which ticker? On Wimmy. For hit that little 450 point. Did I get rid of my line? Oh no, my line is still here. For okay. Wimmy, that's trash. That trash for Wimmy. See if buyers jump in ahead of that. Yeah, Wimmy on the 2 minute isn't looking too healthy. Um, yeah, it's definitely not looking too healthy. The VWAP is gonna kill Wimmy. Nine EMA 453. Yeah, I see that, but it's definitely under. It's under the 5 minute EMA and the 2 minute EMA. So it need to break back over this 5 at the 479-ish area. which it may be about to do. But I just don't want to get joked in here. Look how big it's moving down. That 5 minute EMA isn't playing any games. Nah, I don't care where it stops. I'm just watching. I want to move with the flow. Plus, Wimmy has a huge market cap, so now that the volume is, look at that. Glad I didn't touch that one. Coming down to the 450. Let's see if it can get a nice little. Oh, it already broke that down. Yeah, I'm not interested in that one. Not gonna waste my time on that one. Koto. AKA just everything is slowing down. Need to see some drops now, because now it'd be like more of a swing trade time than anything. Plus, my stomach just growled and it bit my liver, so I'm getting a little hungry. Just a little hungry. Put an order out for 10,000 shares at 440. Of course, it's gonna get hit. Oh man, this thing looks disastrous. Can't even hold up the 450 with this huge downtrend behind it. ONTX finally faded. Can we start to get any kind of attention over here on this nice low float that can pop a ridiculous amount? That I might just take 10 shares on just to see if it'll pop. 1040. It's about to be off my scanner. Everything's fading off the scanner. Wimmy did hit that 450. Can I play a break of VWAP on Wimmy? Break of VWAP is the 468. So I'll say 471 would be an optimal position. But man, that wick up there on the daily chart is getting longer and longer. Yep. Feel like there's still money to be made today somewhere. Just got to be patient. Got to sit through the dead period from like I think it's 10:30 to lunchtime, and then maybe at 1 o'clock things will maybe awaken. Ooh, ONTX taking a nice little drive downtown. Okay, okay, I see it. Do I want to do a VWAP break on this? Is the question. If it can break that 470, do I want to play this? And then that daily chart is just looking so nasty. I'm gonna play it small. Play it small on a VWAP break. 470. Do I want to do 475? Yeah. But that was the last point that it broke last time. Let it consolidate here under VWAP. Get those shorts in there for the move down. The 5-minute 9 EMA is crossing the VWAP right now, though. Mm-hmm. I believe you, One Life. I believe you. It would be stupid in your strategy because you don't use it. Do believe you there, man. Okay, so that 457, 450 level got tapped right there. So I'm gonna put a support line there to see if it will start respecting that 450. Ooh, looks like it wants to get out of there. But gonna have to see. It's 475, 476 level right now. It's the spot to be in. Can we get up and out of here? Can we get back up to that 76 level? $76-ish. I will play a 76 small. I'm not risking a lot on this. If it wants to get out of there. Need to see a break of the 75 though. Looking for that 75 on the bid. Or will it get some rejection off this VWAP? VWAP is at the 468. It needs to break that. You know it. I thought it wanted to. Come on, 468 break. Becoming a little bit of resistance there. All right, well, maybe it needs to test the 450 again. I want to see it. I want to see confirmation above VWAP, really. That's my big thing. That'll be dope. I hear you, One Life, but I think it wants to come back down. Toast came out. Yeah, Toast is up to $62. Let's see what Toast is doing. Toast taking a nice little dump down there. Okay. Just came out with a nice little drop down. $62. 34 to 36. Wow, this thing was supposed to open up at 34 to $36 expected range. So it's probably gonna move down some, a lot. It opened up way higher than it's expected. Holy Jesus. Okay, so this one ended up coming down quite a bit. Holding up a little bit there. Taking another dump down. So maybe we'll get another retest of the 450 as confirmation. Where'd that go? Toast. Okay, okay. Can we get a break over the 63.41? Will be a little bit tight. Yeah, this one may be going down for a while. 63s. This whole thing is red. Get any green going. Not really trusting it right now just because the 2-minute looks good. The 5 and the 15 are kind of looking destructive. Okay. Nice. Tell me that's not a double top. Okay. Rejection off of that double top. What was we watching? Wimmy. Come on, Wimmy. All right, so it's holding up above that. So a break of the 68 could be a spot to be in. But it's just the high of this one is the 469. It's tried to go up 3 times. I think it needs to test down again. Getting on up there, getting a nice push. Okay, okay. Do you want to break VWAP at the 68? Toast 63. VWAP 64.46. Very low volume on these bars, man. Dropping down a little bit there. That's the VWAP. It got up there and touched it, but very scary movement on the VWAP there. Wimmy is holding up quite nicely. I could play a breakdown of this 57 area, but that's only if it gets going up. It's not looking good on the 2-minute. Now it is. Can we get a break of that 68? Yep. 68, 69s. Very quick little hold and then down. Give us some strength through there. 70s. Holding that 68 up. Can it continue to hold on the bid? 68s. Looking for those 69s. 68 struggling on the bid there. '69s. Almost looks like a double top there on the 15. A little bit. 70, 50. The range is extraordinarily small on that one. All right, back out here to tossed. Did end up continuing down. This one still looks like it wants to go a little higher. It's not moving much. Yeah, I know One Life. That's why I had to realize what I was looking at. Hmm. 71s. So since it's broken VWAP, now all we need is confirmation. I'm definitely not pressing the buy button right now. Toast diving on down there. Super red on a day. Not moving much at all right there. All right, getting a nice little 2-minute pullback here. Let's see, the bottom was the 67. So it dipped below the VWAP just a little bit. Ever so slightly. Got up there. That high was the 75. My original idea was the 76, but seeing how it's going up, it's probably gonna die on me. Let's see. So the 76 was my original idea here. The 76 would have ripped down on me here. Okay, so now we're getting a pullback, but this is a double top. Or not really. Almost a double top at the 76. Continue down. This one's going back up. Barely moving. 19,000 shares traded on it. Seed position. With it dipping like this, it's possibly seeding one after this is possibly not a good idea right now. But I know what you mean. But this will be the confirmation here. It's not giving me my confirmation just yet. Let's let this, let's see, what is it? All right, close right there. Double top up there. The high of this is the 76. $75s. $76 on the bid. A couple cents of out. What? Would have been a horrible entry. Maybe it needs to consolidate a bit. Want to buy right over this high, but it faced a lot of resistance there at that 76 level. Let's see what the 5-minute gives us. Then I'll be more willing to see the position. But that 76 was not acting right. Like it. Slow and steady. Can we get the slow and steady grind up, or are we going to break down to 75 here? 75s are holding. 75s are getting tested again, breaking the 75. If I'm going to be in, especially now with less volume, it's going to have to be a perfect setup for me to hit that buy button. Okay, okay. So it tried to go down, had another chance to go down. Let's see what we can get out of here. Needs to start holding that 75 again, if possible. $73s. Can we pop back up to the 75s? Got a couple minutes left on this 5-minute candle. It's getting run through. Yep, going back down there and testing out VWAP real quick. ONTX tried to come down here a couple of times. 15 minutes, 625 level. 625 there. It's looking okay. 626. It's been up there multiple times. Can we get one more break over this 625, 626 level is the question. Get in small if it can break it. If it can't, I'll be out. Kind of like it. 626. I use this as my out, $6. 25 shares. What's the bottom of this? Low of 606. We'll see what it wants to do. Nice. What else does it want to do? Can we get over the 30s? Has a high up here on this last red candle of the 31. Okay, so the 610 is the out right now. $6.10. Let that play ball for a minute. See if it can get going upward some more. If it can, I'll just be out. Looking for it to pop back over those 30s. Okay, new low, 625, 624. $6.24 coming into play. Be the new out. If it can push through the top here. High to 35. Almost got through it. Got a nice little double top. Bounce out right there. 26.24 is a new out. May end up having to take some profit here if it can't get to the 40s. Can we get those 40s up there? Okay, new out, 35. It's getting a little tighter, so I'm gonna remove my stop a little bit tighter as well. 635, see if it can push out a little bit more. Matter of fact, let's just break even is a 27, so the 30. May have to jump out here. Looking for those 38s if possible, 39s, 40s. Okay, so back up to the 35 for an out. This thing starts showing me too much red. Not like that 31. Come on, get that push back up there. 31s. Very quick little in and out here. Take off everything right there. I'm not going to worry about that. Didn't give me any more push, so I just took what it gave me. It looks like it wants to break down to 30, so I went ahead and jumped out of there. Whatever. This one's still pedaling around. I like it now. I like it a lot. Can we see that 75 on the bid? Nope. Had time to consolidate on VWAP. Just did not give me much to play with. Looking like it wants to crack down a little bit. Can we see those 73s pop up there? Ooh, a lot of red on the tape right there. Oh my goodness. Can we see the 73s? 72s. Just not seeing it. Will it break the 69? Nah, not seeing it right there. Let's see what else we got to play with here. This one's came down, gave a little bottom out. Got a nice little top and tail up there. Wimmy. Wimmy's still looking like it wants to get going over that 73. That's all I want to see is that 73. Quick scalp. 73s on the bid. Seeing it real quick there. Ooh, splash down on that double top on a 2-minute. The high here is a 75, and then it has one at 77. Very having to take profits very quickly on these. A lot of snaps here. Onyx did end up coming back up. What's the top of this? 635. Okay, so I have to pee. I cannot trade while I have to pee, so let me go pee real quick. Okay. All right. Where are we? Oh yeah, we're right here. Okay. So the bottom was the 26. So it's a 10-cent rundown, possibly. $34 coming on down. AEMD. Wimmy back up there as well. Finally, gee whiz. Okay, so Wimmy I do like for this break. It can hold up that 73. 74s. Don't see it on the bid. 74s. Hey, there he goes. Very quick spike up there and right back under. Once you hold that set. Oh. Well, don't like that. Back over to ONTX. Also did a nice little pullback here. Oh, FRSH is open. Hey. Okay. Okay, letting this thing dip a little bit. Can it show me red again? This thing is stupid high. Can we go back red and start to hold at 44? Is this a double top? High 44, not exactly. Can we get those 44s to start to hold on the bid? I'm gonna take small positions. Got in there right there. Looking for it to hammer out of here. Very small little position there. 5 shares. Okay, 91 cents. Come back down, I'll add. Okay, 460. 470s. We'll see where it wants to go to. Only got in 5 shares, so you know, whatever. Getting a little snappy there. 44.90s. Can we get a push out again? Can we get the 45s? Need a little push out. Can we get it? Can we get the 45s up there? 45s very quickly. Can we hold the 45s? $41, $45.18, $45.19s. Selling a little bit up there. Just locking in some profit before it ends up eventually coming down. 45.30s. Can we go higher? 45.40s. I'll take. Nice. Taking there. 45, 40, 50s. 10 cents. Nice. 86. Taking again. Slamming down a little bit. How far are you going to slam down? Will you stay above the 45.50s? Nope. Taking there. That was a quick little trade. Quick little scalps on that one. Let's see what else we got. Wimmy ended up going down. Gato. Tossed. Ended up not doing anything. ONTX went down. All right, I guess we'll just focus on FRSH. Slow down, buddy. All right, looking like it's finally coming down to get some red. Let's see how much red it wants to give. Give some nice dips here. Can we break down at $46? Come on, give us one more little snatch down. Not gonna give it to us. Looking like it wants to go higher now. Yep. Nice, nice. Looking for that one snatch. Give us that snatch down. 46s. Snatching. 46.50 on the bid. Can we hold that on the bid? 46.58s. Can we hold those? Yes, we can. Looks like. Back down to the 50s, back down to the 40s. '20s. '30s. 30 looking questionable. 40s. Will the 50s come back into play? 55s. Very small and then off. All right, there's a little snatch down. Let's see you give us a little bit of reprieve here. Come on, man. Okay. I like it. Looks like it wants to go a little higher. Well, a little higher was a joke. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Golly, bro. Just got to let this one go. I don't want to FOMO into this one. This isn't giving me any more opportunities. It took off. Need to see it give me a little bit of red. I mean, it's dipping, but it's dipping on a green. I had to play in between the bids if I wanted to trade this one on the upside. Nice little slap down there. Can we get some red on the 2-minute? Two-minute confirmation of red. Almost. So we're gonna let this 5-minute tell us the story of what's going on. Wants to come down a little bit. Wow, immediate blast up off of that. Getting slapped down a little bit. Yeah, come on down. Waiting for it to drop just a little bit. Come on. 46s. Really, bro? That's how we're gonna play? 46. Come on. You got more red in you. I know you do. If it gets back over that 46.75, it's going to be looking a little bit extended on this play. Yep. Got over the 75 and got extended. So we're going to see a little bit of downwards movement here. Should see it. So now the 2 and the 5 minutes are in agreement. This thing wants to come down a bit. Well, I said a bit, didn't I? I lied a lot. All right, 45. Let's see if it can give us any more push down on this 2-minute. 45 getting hit, whole dollar level. Can it dip below the 45? Looking like it's holding up those 25s. Very small little pop out. Seems like there's still some selling going on. Little pop-up play. I usually don't play those bounces like that. They're just so fast sometimes. Just unsportsmanlike. $45, $45.99. Jesus, that bounce was, wow, the big bounce. Maybe I should have played that one. But looking at the 5 minutes, still wants to consolidate a bit. So we'll be patient. We'll get another chance for entry. Down, big boy. You know you want to. I see all this red coming on the tape. I see it. Let's go. Below the body of this last candle, which was the 46.30. 46.30 would need to hold. Will it come down under the 80s, 45.80s? Nope. Looking like it wants to play ball. Can we see that 46.30 on the bid? 46.30, where my aim is. 46.23, 35. Entered there for a push out. Let's see if we can get a break of that 30. If it goes red here, I will exit. Exit it there. Looking for a retry of the 46.30. Did not get it. Came on down. Glad I exited where I did. Gonna give it some time. Indian. Okay, gonna give it a little bit of time here, get some consolidation. Wants to dump a little bit more. Was not able to hold within the body of this candle, so went and jumped out of there. Okay. 46.19, 46, yeah, still 46.30. 46.10s. Can we see the 30s on the bid? 23s very quickly. 46.13s, 19s, still headed down. 46.25. 46.07s, looking for those 30s on the bid. 46.25, not seeing it on the bid. Nobody wants it there. 46.20s, very quickly there. 23s, nice little struggle point here. Looking for 46.30. 46.14, 16s. Not seeing that 30 come up. 24s, 30s. All right, in there for a little pop. This one shows me red, man. That 46.30 needs to break. Let's see what you got here. $46.25 is the automatic out. Got to get out there. 46.50 hit. Can we get those buyers up to the 50? 46.30 trying to break down. If it breaks under the 46.30, I got to be out. 46.44. 46.50. Come on. Give us a little bit more. A little bit more here. Okay. Can we get those 90s? Not seeing it. Stay in the 60s. Getting about 69 there. Can we get the 70s? 75 on the bid. Nice. Go ahead and start snapping some off just to lock in profit. Locking in. Can we get those 95s? Locking in some more. 80s coming back. 47s. I don't like the way it's kind of acting here. Let's go ahead and get through that 47. Come on. 93s. If it drops below the 90s, I'm going to take all. 95s. There we go. Took everything there before that little jut down. So the bid was telling me, hey, this thing's about to drop. So I went in and got out of there. All right, so again, looking around the market, seeing if I can take any more profit here. AEMD, not looking too good. I'm sorry I've been ignoring the chat. This type of brain function takes a little bit of attention. So I will get to the chat in a moment. Coming back up there against this topping tail. So it's holding up this previous body. It's got 2 levels of support down here. Let's wait and see. Pulling back down. Will it break that 46.30? It took so much time getting that up there. Now it's back to the 46.15s. Okay. AEMD. This one. This one has not done any kind of 2-minute pullbacks, so I'm not interested in that one. It can go on to the moon if it wants to. Wimmy ended up going down. It did retest that 450 down there on Wimmy. Only problem is it's just lost all of its volume. All right, what kind of game do you want to play now? The candles are getting much smaller now, even on the 2-minute. So got to be careful, really careful. $46.30. Can it hold on the bid? Holding up those 46.30s again. Nice. Nice. Will we get a snap down back to the 46.30s? We'll stay above it. 46.45, 46.12s, working its way back down to the 46.30. Getting a lot of pressure there, buying pressure coming in. But the 5-minute, that's a double top there. Even if it breaks, it'll just go without me right now because I'm not confident in this trade. We'll be fighting all of the 5-minute up here to the 46.99. So even if it goes, I just can't do that one. First little pullback has a double bottom out here at the 626 on ONTX. AKA 4630 is getting tested again and sitting below the 30s on the bid. And it opened up below the body of this candle. So a lot of bad signs here. Was this an exact double top here? High of the 4673, 4673. Yeah. Okay. Looks like it's got a little bit more downward motion in it. Wait a minute. 4630 is what we want to see hold on the bid again. 4630 right there. Can we get above the 30s if possible for a quick scalp? Ooh, it's nice. Nice little take right there. I like it. Holding up those 30s, right back down to the 30s, waiting for those 4630s to hold. Not holding, falling right back through. So looks like everybody was ready for that 4630. We'll let that one die alone. Not gonna wipe that one up. All right, ONTX got a nice little bounce back off of VWAP. Still needs to consolidate a bit more. Got a nice little channel here, 611 up to the 631s. EMD. This range is getting extremely tight on a FRSH. Very small candles developing. AEMD making its way back above VWAP, but still on the daily chart looking very dangerous. On ONTX, nice. So you are getting up there. Okay, calm down. I had to play this one small. Can it break the 40s? I play it small. Want to break the 40s? 38s. Can we see those 38s up there on the bid? 37s. 38s. Nice. Got in there. Play it up to the top. Let's see, the top of this channel is up here at the 654. Start breaking out some in a little bit, especially through the 50. Let's see if it can get up there. If not, my out will be the body of this candle, 630. 630-ish. What is that, 15 shares? 15 shares at the 630, I'll be out. Showing me some red there. Go ahead and put it out there. My out is ready to go. Looking to test that 654 level. Can we get that 50 up there? I'd definitely be taking up there. Looking to move it up. Let's see, what's this? The 40s. 45s. Can we get that 46 up there? Okay. Looking to move it up, but not too confident in this move right here. Should have went. Needs to give us a little bit of green over the top. If not, I'll be out. Anyway, got my stop up there on 15 shares, so whatever. AEMD did end up coming down. That one came down. This one's back up. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Ripping. Can we get that 90 up there to hold? 90. Can we see A80 at least? Don't even see it in the 80s. Okay, 90s. Can we see it? 90s in there. Ripping. Let's go ahead and look to take profit. 47.50. That's 50 cents. Go ahead and take there. Can it break the 50? Looking for that 50. Not seeing it on the bid. Taking everything right there. I need to move this down so y'all can see this. Okay. So I got one open position over there, which I'm waiting. This one showed me a little bit of weakness, so I went ahead and got out of it. It's pulling back quite harshly right there. ONTX, it's taking a while. Needs to get going. So new out here at the 638. 638. Out. Wanted to see it get up there and test that 650 level. Giving us a little bit of a push. If it can test that 650, I lock some out up there. $650 is what I want to see. We have a bottom out here of the 637. I'm not going to play with it too much. If it wants to snap down, get me out. It should have went. Yep, should have went. Gets me out, oh well. It's a very small loss there. Looking like it's forming another out position here. Okay, so we'll use this one, 640s. Not gonna play with it too much. That's a 1 cent risk on this trade. 1 cent loss per share if it wants to come back down and get me out. Looking for that test of the 50 here. Lose 1 cent. Let's see what it wants to do here. Needs to go up. It's going to get going. Nice. Can it push out of there? That's a double top. So we'll go ahead and put it above my entry position. So the 45-ish level to take that a little bit of profit. If it pushes out of that double top. Can it get that 46, 47 all the way up to the 50s here? Matter of fact, the body of this candle looks to be the 43. So 42 exit if it can push up again. 45, so 42 exit coming. Looking for it to push on over that 47 if possible. 46-ish. I'm gonna go ahead and put my out there at the 42. That way it won't be a losing trade. There we go. Chop me out right there. You can go ahead and do whatever it wants to do now. behind that double top. I just didn't like it. 47. 47s. Can we get going any higher? What's the body of this candle? Body is the 47.30. Man, it's something about these 30s in this stock. 47.30, can it hold? Yep. 47.30, small entry. If it shows me red on this candle, I'll be out. On the 2-minute, any red, I'm out. Looking for it to push up. Any red? Okay. You need to push out then. Nice. Getting up there. Okay. You need to push out. Don't play with it. Red out. Got out there. Let's see, what's this? Top 47.63-ish. Looking a little heavy there. 47.30, holding on the bid. Can we get anything above the 30s? 35s in there. Looking for it to push up. Any red, I'll get out. Don't give me that red. 50s, 59s. Can we push the top? I'll take some profit. Can we push that top? Okay, taking. See a lot of red on the tape. Back below the 50, I'm out. 60s. Need to see the 61s. 61, 62. Taking some profit. Below the 50, I'm out. Oh, yeah. Just not giving me any more pushes. Oh well. I'm just gonna let the rest of this ride until the next day. I am done. My brain is fried. So yeah. Green on the day, but whatever. Didn't see anything else really giving me those moves, and now it's pushing up. But it's a very, very big range, and it's a very hard one to trade. So I'm just gonna be grateful for what I got. I'm going to walk away and continue green days ahead. So thank you guys for tuning in. I am done for the day. I got to get something to eat. Appreciate you, One Life and DB and Lauren and Jay Kratz and everybody else that tuned in. Donnell, everybody. And we're about to close it down. Let's see. What do I want to do now? Are you guys going to continue trading? Be careful. It's dangerous out here. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.